Friends, this is Sandeepan Brain-Based Coach. My mission is to build greatness, your greatness and my greatness. My endeavor has been to study performance, apply neuropsychology to serve dreamers step by step to achieve things that were once thought impossible. I am excited to be in the Assam Book Fair. I know there is this electric absorption of seekers, and that's a tremendous opportunity for you. Does not matter if you are an entrepreneur, artist, sports person, or a literator. Today you have got this extraordinary opportunity to scale up, reach your own potential and create what you have always wanted for yourself and this world. That's why just for today, one secret of the genius which I want to leave you with is that don't be the product. In this digital era of huge opportunity, remember most of the things are being made free for you. You have got the device in your pocket with free product available. In this free economy, if you are given anything for free, remember it means that you have become the product. Your attention and your presence is being sold to earn money by the companies. Companies are making strategies to steal your attention, to encash this free opportunity that is being produced by this tremendous digital revolution. You have got to be 500% more careful in terms of preserving your energy and converging it into a purpose. So one tip which I want to leave you with today, a powerful performance ritual that champions have been using is this, the 10 minutes rule. As you go on to work, there will always be an attraction to be distracted because there are so much of information available. And if you are in the midst of a work, just apply this 10 minutes rule, which means that you will tell to yourself, just for another 10 minutes, I'm going to be absorbed in this work. And that way you will extend your attention and absorption in things that matters to you. Once you start doing it for once or twice or thrice, and you continue that over 66 days, your brain is going to be rewired to remain centered in the things which matters most to you, and no wonder you will create world class. I am excited to connect with you in Assam Book Fair this winter, and I'm sure we'll have the opportunity to co-create greatness, create global work right from here in this economic center of India, from Guwahati. Let the journey begin, friends. I want to express my gratitude for Crane Trans Factory for giving me this opportunity to share this message with you. They have been instrumental in creating my first digital expression. Thank you so much, Crane Trans Factory, for understanding my work and really creating a marketing campaign that I wanted for years. And it did happen because you were there with me. Thank you so much, Crane Trans Factory.